Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. I just wanted to give you an update on my little spice rack, that one that I hauled from TJ Maxx the other day. And I did actually go ahead and put it up on a wall. Here it is. And it actually made a lot of room. And down here, it was just full of what I just put in a spice rack. And so I was able to move things around. It still is a lot of stuff, so I'm still organizing. So I just want to give you a real quick look at what I have to work with. You guys, I think Rhonda, you were asking me. So here is like my vanity, and this is the camera that I film with, and this is exactly how I film actually. I didn't move anything around for, videoing this. And I have my real quick things that I need to reach for. So when you see me reaching for like my primer and things like that, they're here. Okay, my primer. And also, well, let me move that around. I do have all of my concealers here. And for somebody who doesn't use concealers, that's a lot, I know. And I probably purchased maybe 2 of those. The rest of them came in a box. And here are some of my lip glosses that I do actually like to use throughout the day. And I have some real quick, reach for things here. And I keep my eyebrow stuff here, but like my eyelash stuff down here. And along the bottom, I have sponges and I have more stuff. And down here I have additional, whoops, let me get that out of the way. I do have additional brushes here that I don't usually reach for, but I do have them in case I need them. And I do use them. It's just not, not something I use a lot. And so here's a sneak peek of what I'm going to be talking to you about. But I think by the time this goes up, you have already heard about this one. And real quick, this is my brush set that I use. These are my actual natural hairs brush. This is a Sonia G set. This is my Refer. This is Refer. And you see some of my more used, when I play with it. You don't see me using it on video a lot because I think I've done videos on these. And so that's something I like to go to type of palettes. And I do circulate them. And this is still a mess down here. But I just wanted to give you a look. When I open my drawers, here they are. I just love the way this came out because, now I'm using a lot of these lipsticks now because I can just reach for the color and I know what they are. And here's my other ones. Unfortunately, these don't have these clear like a MAC, they don't come like this. So unfortunately, I can't find anything to replace these. And these are like, of course, my Pat McGrath stuff. This is all Clinique. And this is Christian Dior, Chanel, more Pat. And these are more of my go-to highlighters. And here is my bronzers here, my Kabuki, and let's see, some of my other lip products here. I don't really use these. These, yes, these, no, it's just there. And then here's some highlighters. But then moving on, I have, oh, what a mess, sorry about that. Here is more brushes. These are my these are my my nudie colors. These are more bright colors. Here's my extra brushes I don't use, and my glasses. And also, what is that? Oh yeah, these are my, what are these? Oh, Sigma, that's right, Sigma. These are my Sigma. These are my MAC. These are things that I use a lot, that I like. That's odds and ends. I really love these. And these are Luxie, actually. And that's that. And I have some extra products over here. Okay. And in the back. And here on my, this is another piece here that I have. I bought this as well. And this has my Tom Ford lipsticks, Chanticleer, and these are my Natasha Denona lipsticks. And these I use a lot. These, when you see these on top, it's things that I use. Like here, my lip pencils, both my Natasha Denona and my KKW one. And here's my mirror that I got, which I never use, but it's here anyway. And here are my brushes for my foundations, easy to reach, my IT Cosmetics one. Here are my bronzers, and these my bronzers. Yeah, these are my bronzers, and these are my blush. And I have a mess here, so let me just move this stuff real quick. And there's a couple of sneak peeks here. I need to talk about these as well. I just got these. These are by Terry. It came from Paris actually, and these are their new products. I think you've probably seen this one on Instagram, and this is their new palette, eyeshadow palette, and their Brightening Go palette. I just got them. I need to, talk to you guys about that. And there's a free sample. Here is my coaster. And here is my, okay guys, I think I touched the wrong button and shut it off. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up from here. This is the very top drawer. Let me show you where I left off. Is this thing here, my very top drawer. I have some, my go-to, palettes or things, well, not go-to actually, it was the go-to, and then I moved that to the desk. And then what I'm doing is trying to get these used, and so I moved them here, and I haven't used like a couple of these yet, and so I have some of my more affordable ones, Milani, the City palette, Makeup Geek, this is Chanticleer, okay, and it's a mixture. And over here is my setting powders. You guys know I don't use a whole lot of setting powders. I'm not a fan of them, but I do have them. And I think the only one out of here that I purchased is actually this one here, which is a Laura Mercier one. All the rest actually came in boxes. Oh, other than this one here, my Nars. This is the compact one. I think it's pretty well used, this one. Let me see if I can open it here with one hand. Yeah, I can. And so there it is, and it's pretty well used. You see, I'm about to have pan on it, and look how it is so dirty. But this is one that I do use. Haven't used it in a while though, because it seems like I don't need them as much as I used to. So yeah, and then some of my MAC cheek palettes here. And let's see, what was down here? Oh yeah, and this is the face palettes that I do use. And so here it is, and yeah. And I think that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a kind of like a lay of the land, because I know, a couple of you have asked. And here is my, yeah, that's another one I have to talk to you guys about. Yeah, and so here it is. As you can see, that's my little corner. Oh yeah, and then you see the craziness over there. I have another drawer there, but that's just like odds and ends. I'm just trying to keep organized, and I can't seem to organize things, so I'm just moving things around today. And so like the top drawer here is all of my new stuff that I haven't used yet, and I bought. And so yeah, that's that. And my next drawer here is all of my nails, my OPI nails. Remember, I've been getting into the nails, and so here it is. And yeah, and they had them buy one get one 50%, so I took advantage of that. And this here is just my odds and ends, things that I keep. Oops, sorry about that. And then what is in here? Oh yeah, when I used to get these lashes, I haven't used them in a long time, and so this is my lash drawer, but it's a mess. And I think this is just extra stuff, bags. Oh, and I keep these little silica things, that way when I travel I throw them actually into my luggage, so that way if anything gets moist I have it. And that's just totally junk. So I think that's it. And I did show you the rest of this here, down here. And I'm videoing this actually not on my camera, because of course you see my camera's over there. But I am videoing this on my iPhone, so hopefully it'll come out. But this is how I started, is with iPhone. And yeah, I'm gonna have to really organize. I'm not even gonna show you what is behind the curtain here, because it's terrible. So anyway, yeah, so there it is. That's what I wanted to actually show you. And so yeah, and I hope you guys liked it. And this is a real short video, but I thought I owe you guys a peek. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed it. And as usual, if I added any value, please do hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell button, so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.